This is the second video in the series The World Around Us is Changing. In the first video, we spoke about three very critical elements. One is reflect, reset, and re-choose. Sometime back, I called up a friend of mine to just check how was he holding up. He has to go to the hospital twice a week for dialysis, which is both physically and mentally pretty taxing. What he shared with me kind of left me pretty wonderstruck, and he said that while things were pretty difficult for him to manage in the current lockdown scenario, he said that he would always ask himself this one question: am I better off than few others? And yes, he said that he is better off than few others. Very, very powerful way to look at life, and extremely powerful, extremely difficult but yet very powerful perspective that he built on. There is so much of information today around us. In fact, there is deluge of information. Information we don't know whether we actually do need it or not. Now there are two sets of thought processes, both extreme, of course, there are many. One is, nothing's going to go wrong and it's just going to on its own get all right. And the second is, the doomsday is very, very close by. I think realistically speaking, life and us, we could oscillate between the two extremes. And where we end up is going to be a function of the decisions and choices we make. Today, it is not about the survival of the fittest, it is survival of the quickest. Extremely quick and relevant actions will help us move towards that correct zone. The situation has thrown two very critical and large areas open. One is the dark spot, areas that trouble us, areas that we anticipate can be a little challenging for us. Could be on personal levels, managing different temperaments, suddenly put into, in a situation where there are many more people that spending more hours in the house and otherwise than before. Second, in the business space, there could be cash management that one is looking at. There could be multiple and many challenges. The dark spot. The second is the sunshine spot. Areas which may not be too evident currently for some people and maybe a little more evident for the others. That's the power of reflection. We take a step back and identify these two critical areas and list down actions that we need to take to, one, move away from the dark spot, and second, to move towards a sunshine spot. But while we do that, there are some certain actions and certain things that we undertake or decisions we undertake would only imply that they are coming from the area of concern and worry. We have not much control of. Let's identify those areas and let's identify those actions which we have absolutely no control of and try and eliminate. So we hence then only focus on things that are in our control. How would an individual react to your vendor react or your client react for you to reach out for deferment of money or advance of money? How would they react and respond to something not in your control? But of course, what is in your control is to take a timely action. Let's all do one thing. Let's pen down, identify these two areas, the dark spot and the sunshine zone. List out various activities that we need to undertake to be able to moving away and move towards. And filter them on these two parameters. Can I control and impact it, or is it beyond my control? When we filter those, what we get are extremely relevant actions. While the fact is it's going to be quick and we're going to take actions, the fact is we will also have to be very patient. Things may not just suddenly change for the betterment for us. It may take a little time. In certain people, certain cases, it may take a little longer than others. But it will definitely take some time for some people. Sitting idle and sitting still are two different things. They do not mean the same. Power of virtue of patience will enable us to come out of this and move towards our sunshine goals. And fourth, but most important, is going to be the power of compassion. A lot of it has been said and spoken about it at different channels and different platforms. I'm not going to talk too much about it. But a quick recap of the four things that we spoke today is change in perspective. Second, plan of action. We identify the two spots and list down the action points. Third is build in patience. And this patience is built in with a very strong belief that we shall come out of it. And fourth, most important is exercise the power of compassion. Each one of us is fighting a battle, and some of us are fighting even graver battles. We take that into cognizance. I think we would be able to hold hands and then come out of it together. If you liked what I just shared with you, I request you to subscribe to the channel if you have not already done it. And the subscribe button is just below the video. Thank you very much.